My name is Carol Haag. I am a retired Unitarian Universalist minister, and it's absolutely delightful to be in this room of diverse religions and to discover that I'm probably pretty much a minority as being a straight white woman. As a minister, I conducted countless marriage ceremonies for straights, for gays, for lesbians. It didn't matter. The couples would come, they would come with their excitement, their enthusiasm, holding hands, looking at each other in the eyes, being starry-eyed and hopeful, whether they were young, just out of college, or middle-aged and mature and sensible, or old and just full of peace and joy. They came to be married. They came out of their love for each other, full of hope, brimming with commitment, and planning toward a future together. In my experience, couples, whether same or different genders, who seek out a clergy person to perform marriage service have given deep thought to their commitment to marry. They do not enter into this union lightly. They may not have attended a religious service for years, but when they have arrived at this momentous decision, they want it honored and blessed with respect and solemnity. I've done so many that very often they blend together, but I remember one particularly poignant service that I conducted for a gay couple. They were head over heels in love with each other, so full of kindness and generosity, and so dirt poor they couldn't afford to pay for the service or for the church. They had friends come and share with them their musical ability. One played the organ, another one was singing for them. Close friends gathered to help them celebrate. It was one of the most touching marriage services I've ever been part of. When planning their wedding services, most couples are focused on articulating their commitments to each other, inviting friends and family to witness this major stage in their lives. They are not thinking of the economic benefits of marriage, most of them. They're not thinking about tax returns. They're not thinking about hospital visits. But these benefits, a whole array of benefits, are available to married couples. They don't even have to think about them. Civil union couples are challenged at every turn. There are over 300 documented incidents of equal rights being refused in New Jersey since the marriage civil unions law went into effect. That particular gay couple I mentioned needed the economic benefits of marriage as much or more than the kids of rich families, heterosexual kids, who were having lavish receptions in opulent settings. We know deep in our hearts that love is the central defining characteristic of being human. Love is an attachment that is more than biological, more than sexual. It is even counterintuitive because love can transcend personal likes and dislikes. Love contributes to the quality of life. Love is what makes babies thrive, and when it is withdrawn, makes them shrivel. Love is at the center of two people committing their lives to one another, standing beside each other through thick and thin. When it is love between two adults, we call it marriage. Marriage has been honored by religious institutions and legalized by governments throughout the ages. To call this bond anything but marriage demeans that relationship. To call it something different but with the same benefits trivializes the deepest bond of which humans are capable. To make it something separate but equal is to ignore that separate but equal has never been equal, has never been fair, has never been just. The bottom line is that separate but equal is not, and never has been, equal, fair, or just. Calling marriages between two men or two women civil unions instead of marriages demeans their relationship, sets them apart, condones unjust and unlawful treatment. They will still face prejudice until parts of our culture catch up to the justice declared by the New Jersey State Supreme Court. But our laws should express the equality of this ultimate commitment of love in name by calling it marriage as well as in substance. Thank you very much.